Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate a Snapchat account for some time on your iPhone. For example, if you want to have a break from the Snapchat and if you want to deactivate it for some time, so how you can deactivate it. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to look for general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here. So in app store, you have to simply search for the Snapchat app and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to simply open this Snapchat app, and after that you have to simply click on that profile icon and you have to click on settings and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of delete account here. So here is written that if you want to deactivate your account, for example, if you provide here your password and click on continue, your account will be deactivated. So which means your friend won't be able to contact you with, and you will also lose any chat you have saved. But if you log in back to your account within 30 days, then your account will be reactivated again. Which means if you want to deactivate your account for that sometime, then after that you have to simply log in back into your account, but before 30 days, then you have to make sure that you are not uh, deactivating your account more than 30 days. Then within 30 days, then you can simply log in your account and your account will be reactivated again. But that some time will be within 30 days. So if you want to save your account from deleting, then you can simply log in back to your account so that your account will be deactivated again. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.